Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Payout Jr. again, and today I'm going to review, sort of, an application called Ember, which is available on Android and iOS. Links will be in the description. As always, use the links so you can get, some extra income as soon as you start. So, I actually did not use a referral code, so I didn't get much, but it is what it is. So, Ember, link in the description. Use that, so you will receive more than maybe what I have at the moment. So basically, there's an app called Pi, if you haven't heard about it, and what that does is there's a lot of them like that, but you literally click a button every day that says mine. Once every 24 hours, you click a button that says mine, and it's in this earn area, and it'll just say, where it says earning, I think it'll just say earn, and you click it. And then for 24 hours, it'll cloud mine. It's not going to use your. It's not going to use your whatchamacall. Like your phone's hardware to mine. This is all cloud mining. So, but obviously they do offer. They do offer, let's see here, to deposit funds and so forth to invest in certain portfolios. So, like in this portfolio, they have DeFi, Bitcoin Defense, and the yield, auto rebalancing yield. So, actually, let's check that out. So they have all of these. So as soon as you reach a certain point, it says minimum deposit $5, then you can invest in a portfolio, and then how you're mining your Satori per hour will go up as well. So I'm just not depositing any money into it right now. I'm just letting it run, see how it goes. So, and I don't want to add, like my credit card or anything to this. So, but essentially, once you have so many Satoshis, I can actually tell you how many. Hold on. Come on. Okay. So once you have 16,830 Satoshis, which is just a fraction of a Bitcoin, basically. With so many Satoshis is a fraction of a Bitcoin. Then you can use that money to actually transfer it to your Bitcoin wallet, or you can use it to invest in one of their portfolios. It's completely up to you. So I personally recommend, inviting some people and, doing some of the boost options, and so that you are able to get a higher rate per hour. Because this is how I did start out on that specific app called Pi, where my hourly rate was so low, and I just kept referring people, and it did go up a little. It went up pretty well. So, but Pi is not worth anything. So this is. So why not once a day just click mine and let it actually mine something that you can actually cash out or reinvest if you want to. It's very simple. It's really cool. It's a really cool little app that I just came across as I was researching a couple things. So long story short, use the link in the description, get some extra Satoshis for yourself. And then once you hit a minimum of $5, like I said, You can send that to your Bitcoin address, or you can invest in one of their portfolios. So, sorry, my charger's acting up here. There we go. So, earn Bitcoin daily. That just brings me back to that. But then investing in a portfolio, make sure you read them. Let's see here. Make sure you you read them completely to see if you are going to invest in one of their portfolios. It's kind of like working with like a stock brokerage. They try and do the best they can to to make you some money. That's with the cryptos that are going. I'm unplugging this now. That's going with the market. So, but yeah, very simple app. Definitely check it out. Check the link out in the description. Click once a day. Why not? Just crap, man. Just get $5 and even some more, and invite a couple people you know. So I don't know many people who are not interested in earning some extra money, for basically doing nothing, for taking literally 5 seconds out of their day to click mine. So, yeah, pretty cool. So, alright everybody, thank you very much for watching. I hope this video helped, because, I've been finding some pretty cool apps, man. And, and I seem, in using them all in conjunction with one another, I'm actually doing, like relatively well as far as making, some decent, whatever you want to call it, passive income. So, but this is just one of the apps called Ember, and it's 100% legit. So, with that, I guess I'll upload it and then go to bed. Alright, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.